Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the genetics of anxiety. Is it hereditary? Anxiety is a complex condition influenced by various factors, including genetics. In this video, we'll explore whether anxiety can be passed down through generations and what you can do to manage it. Let's get started. What is anxiety? First, let's briefly discuss what anxiety is. Anxiety is a natural response to stress characterized by feelings of worry, nervousness, or fear. It can manifest in different ways, including physical symptoms like increased heart rate, sweating, and trembling. While everyone experiences anxiety at some point, chronic anxiety can interfere with daily life and lead to anxiety disorders. The role of genetics in anxiety. So, is anxiety hereditary? Research suggests that genetics do play a role in anxiety. Studies have shown that individuals with a family history of anxiety are more likely to experience anxiety themselves. Here are some key points to consider. Genetic predisposition. Certain genes may make individuals more susceptible to anxiety. These genes can influence how the brain processes fear and stress. Family studies. Research on families has shown that anxiety disorders tend to run in families. If a close relative, such as a parent or sibling, has an anxiety disorder, your risk of developing one increases. Twin studies. Twin studies have provided valuable insights into the genetic basis of anxiety. Identical twins, who share the same genetic makeup, are more likely to both have anxiety compared to fraternal twins, who share only about 50% of their genes. Genetics versus environment. While genetics play a significant role, it's essential to understand that they are not the sole factor. Environmental influences and life experiences also contribute to anxiety. This interplay between genetics and environment is known as the nature versus nurture debate. Here are some environmental factors that can impact anxiety. Early childhood experiences. Traumatic events or adverse experiences during childhood can increase the risk of developing anxiety later in life. Stressful life events. Significant stressors, such as the loss of a loved one, job loss, or major life changes can trigger anxiety. Parenting styles. Overprotective or controlling parenting styles can contribute to the development of anxiety in children. How anxiety is passed down. If genetics play a role, how exactly is anxiety passed down? The process is complex and involves multiple genes. Here's a simplified explanation. Polygenic inheritance. Anxiety is considered a polygenic trait, meaning it is influenced by multiple genes rather than a single gene. Each of these genes may have a small effect, but together they can increase the risk of developing anxiety. Gene-environment interaction. The expression of anxiety-related genes can be influenced by environmental factors. For example, a person with a genetic predisposition to anxiety may not develop the disorder unless exposed to significant stress or trauma. Epigenetics. Epigenetics refers to changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the DNA sequence. Environmental factors can cause these changes, affecting how genes related to anxiety are expressed. Managing anxiety. Practical tips. Whether anxiety is influenced by genetics, environment, or both, it's crucial to know how to manage it effectively. Here are some practical tips. Therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is an effective treatment for anxiety. It helps individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors. Medication. In some cases, medication may be prescribed to manage anxiety symptoms. Always consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best course of action. Lifestyle changes. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can help reduce anxiety. Avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol is also beneficial. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Practices such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and progressive muscle relaxation can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Support system. Having a strong support system, whether it's friends, family, or a support group, can provide comfort and understanding. The importance of seeking help. If you're struggling with anxiety, it's important to seek help. Here's why. Early intervention. Seeking help early can prevent anxiety from worsening and improve your quality of life. Professional guidance. Mental health professionals can provide personalized treatment plans and support. Breaking the stigma. By seeking help, you contribute to breaking the stigma surrounding mental health and encourage others to do the same. Real-life stories. Hearing real-life stories can be inspiring and reassuring. Here are a few examples. Sarah's journey. Sarah struggled with anxiety throughout her teenage years. After learning about her family's history of anxiety, she sought therapy and discovered effective coping strategies. Today, she manages her anxiety and supports others facing similar challenges. Tom's experience. Tom's anxiety became overwhelming after starting a new job. With a family history of anxiety, he decided to seek professional help. Through therapy and lifestyle changes, Tom learned to manage his anxiety and thrive in his career. Emma's story. Emma experienced severe anxiety after a traumatic event. She discovered that anxiety ran in her family and sought therapy to understand and manage her condition. Emma now advocates for mental health awareness and supports others on their journey. The future of anxiety research. As research continues to evolve, our understanding of the genetic factors contributing to anxiety is expanding. Scientists are investigating specific genes associated with anxiety and exploring how these genes interact with environmental factors. This research holds promise for developing more effective treatments and interventions. Gene therapy. Emerging research in gene therapy aims to target and modify specific genes associated with anxiety, potentially offering new treatment options. Personalized medicine. Advances in genetics may lead to personalized medicine approaches, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, improving efficacy and reducing side effects. Preventive strategies. Understanding genetic risk factors can help in developing preventive strategies, allowing individuals with a family history of anxiety to take proactive steps in managing their mental health. Conclusion. Understanding the genetics of anxiety can provide valuable insights into why some people are more susceptible to this condition. While genetics play a role, it's important to remember that anxiety is influenced by multiple factors, including environment and life experiences. If you're struggling with anxiety, know that you're not alone and that help is available. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on mental health and well-being. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. Do you have any tips for managing anxiety? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay well, and see you next time.